Hello and welcome. Welcome to the daily Nifty and Bank Nifty Insights with MJ. Friends, are here 9th November and we'll be estimating the probable moves, resistance and support levels, buying and selling zones in Nifty and Bank Nifty along with the trading plan for next trading day, which will be on 10th November. Right. If you are new to our YouTube, friends, do subscribe to our channel as well as press the bell icon such that whenever we upload any new video, you get intimation on it, right? And be generous to share the videos with your friends and trading communities who can be equally benefited from quality knowledge. All right, if we look at today's market, friends, it was the seventh consecutive day when the market moved up, and not only just moved up, it moved up with a huge gap in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So obviously market is getting cues from global market. All the markets today had been having a all global markets have been uh, having a positive cues. Our market was mainly led by NBFC and banking sector, apart from energy, metal, and PSE. Bharti Airtel, ICICI, Axis Bank, SDFC, Titan, Infi were the individual gainers, which gained more than 2% today. Nifty closed somewhere at 12,461 with a net gain of almost 198 points. That was great. And Bank Nifty gained 735 points. It closed at 27,534. Overall market breadth, friends, positive rahi. 43 stocks out of 50 stock of Nifty 50 advanced, 7 stocks declined today. हमने आज के लिए 12,000 to 12,400 की रेंज एस्टिमेट की थी, बट निफ्टी डिड गो 75 पॉइंट्स अपसाइड. बैंक निफ्टी के लिए जो हमने आज एस्टिमेट किया था, दैट वाज फ्रॉम 26,000 टू 27,500. सो मोर और लेस बैंक निफ्टी उसी रेंज में थी, राइट? सो अगर हम ट्रेंड के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें, फ्रेंड्स, निफ्टी एज वेल एज बैंक निफ्टी बोथ आर मेकिंग हायर हाइज एंड हायर लो, सो अप ट्रेंड कंटिन्यूज. अगर कैंडल स्टिक पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें तो क्लियरली बुलिश कैंडल है. ऑब्वियसली अगर यहाँ बुलिश है तो वीकली में भी, क्योंकि आज मंडे है, वीक का पहला दिन है, तो वीकली में भी बुलिश कैंडल ही बना रहा है, राइट? अगर हम प्राइस एक्शन के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें, सो ऑन लोअर साइड यू कुड सी दैट निफ्टी विल हैव अ सपोर्ट लेवल्स एट 12,399 जो कि आज की ओपनिंग प्राइस थी, एंड 12,368 if it further falls. There is a bullish gap here. We also call it a novice gap. Many a times, the stocks come to fill up these gaps very next day or very shortly, right? So ये एक matter of concern है हमारे पास में. अगर ये गैप फिलअप करने आती निफ्टी, देन यू विल हैव 12,321 and 12,280 as our other four third and fourth support level, right? So downside में we could see that 12,280 या 12,300 हम बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पे डाउनसाइड में. अगर कल भी बुलिश बैच रहता है, फ्रेंड्स, which of course we'll be estimating based upon the data and the other international markets at the end of the session. So 12,472 जो कि आज का हाई है फ्रेंड्स, that will be the first resistance for market tomorrow. 12,520 is a second level of resistance, 12,600 third level of resistance, and the fourth level of resistance is 12,775. So let me jot it down. Yeah. So on the lower side, 12,280. On the upper side, 12,775. Sorry, let me correct it, friends. 12,775, right? On Bank Nifty, similarly, let's have a price action range here. On Bank Nifty, you could see that on the lower side, Bank Nifty has a first level of support, which is today's opening price, 27,093 का है. सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ सपोर्ट जो है इसको है 26,853. थर्ड लेवल ऑफ सपोर्ट है 26,644. So we'll consider this as the lower level as 26,644 in case if there is any adverse news that may be the lower price where Bank Nifty can revisit, right? So 26,644, right? On the upper side, देखते हैं friends, आज का high 27,590, The next level of resistance will be 27,650, 27,797. So ये काफी नजदीक 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 में ये तीन लेवल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे. Next would be at 28,125. So 28,125 could be the next level of resistance for Bank Nifty on upside from the price action. We'll also look at option chain data, that what kind of support and resistance levels are visible from option chain writers, right? Before we conclude how to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty on intraday basis, right? So what we would do now first is we'll go to Nifty option chain. Now, the option chain, what we are referring here is, weekly expiry option chain, which will be expiring on 12th November, right? Since market closed at 12,460, so 12,450 की जो है strike price, will be considering that as a at the money, right? So 12,450 की strike के आसपास में देखते हैं. Let's see, at 12,450, there is a 4 lakh new contracts and overall 4.5 million contracts. 12,500 पे friends, again 4.7 lakh नए contracts हैं. Overall, 500,000 contracts हैं यहाँ पे. So bull seems to are very excited, right? 12,400 friends seems to be excellent support level, जहाँ पे कि आपको 1.9 million contracts आज create हुए, right? Overall 2.77 million contracts का build-up है यहाँ पे. So this will work as my support 1. इसके नीचे देखें तो 12,350 कोई खास open interest नहीं दिखा रहा है. 12,300, which has got today's fresh open interest as 2.2 million. Overall 2.58 million contracts हैं, so that will be acting as a support too. Of course, सबसे नीचे maximum OI वाला जो support level है, that is at 12,000, right? But this could be our weekly support level. So अगर हम Tuesday के लिए देखें तो 12,300 seems to be our nearby max OI का range है हमारा, right? So this could be on the lower side. Now let's look at what kind of built up has been created by bears. अगर आप देखेंगे, so 12,350 तक तो आज कॉल की अनवाइंडिंग हुई है फ्रेंड्स. However, at 12,400, 4.6 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स फ्रेश राइट हुए. अगर मार्केट 12,400 से नीचे जाती है तो यू माइट सी दैट दिस विल एक्ट एज अ रेजिस्टेंस. उसके ऊपर भी 12,450 पे भी ऑलमोस्ट 6 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हैं. आर मेन रेजिस्टेंस एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इज 12,500, व्हिच विल बी having 2.1 million contracts, right? 12,500 के ऊपर 12,550 पे ठीक ठाक ओवरऑल ओपन इंटरेस्ट है 6.6 lakhs का. नेक्स्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट जो ज्यादा है 1.6 million का, दैट विल वर्क एज R2 एंड दैट्स एट 12,600. 12,650 पे भी ठीक ठाक ओपन इंटरेस्ट है 7 लाख का, बट 12,700 हैज मैक्सिमम OI. Let me jot it down, right? जहाँ पे कि 2.6 million contracts हैं, so this will work as R3. So that means this option chain shows me the range from 12,300 to 12,700. मेरे ख्याल से अगर हम, if we recall our discussion on this chart, which is our daily chart, यहाँ पे भी हमने वही एक रेंज देखी थी 12,280 से 12,775 की. Again, the data also confirms to that. In Bank Nifty as well, same applies. Bank Nifty का जो option chain दिखा रहा है, that is from 27,000 to 28,000. Now ये Nifty के option chain का PCR है friends 1.62. आज के लिए जो ऑप्शन चेन का पीसीआर था 1.6 था. दैट शोज द extreme bullishness, right? So the data is showing extreme bullishness for Nifty also. For Bank Nifty also, option chain is 1.4. That is again a bullish bias, right? Now, if we look at world markets today, before we conclude on Nifty and Bank Nifty and look at intraday trading opportunities, now we have been having a news that uh, Pfizer as well as BioNTech have come out with a vaccine, which is vaccine for corona, right? That is more than 90% effective, and that's what has driven our international markets up. If you look from perspective of European markets, so let's say CAC France is 8% up, DAX Germany is 5.5% up, Nikkei is almost 5.68% up. So these are the future of these indices which are even being traded at this point of time, right? FTSE London, that's 5.4% up. The future of Hang Seng, Hong Kong का जो index है friends, that is 2.9% up. US 30 का future, that used to be called Dow Jones, right? So that is 4.48% up. निफ्टी का जो हमारा फ्यूचर है इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में, दैट इज बीइंग ट्रेडेड एट 12,700 ऑलरेडी हियर, राइट? सो 3.63% अप है. यूएस 500 S&P 500 का फ्यूचर 3.3% अप है फ्रेंड्स. सिंगापुर MSCI का फ्यूचर 4.22%. It seems like all these indices are trading two or three times beyond their ATRs, right? So that is the impact of possibility of having a 90% or more than 90% effective vaccine. Yes, of course, victory of Joe Biden is also fueling up the international markets, as they see that Joe Biden is more matured politician and leader in US with respect to the outgoing president, right? And yeah, so let's go back to now our Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and see what kind of scenario can emerge in our market tomorrow morning. Definitely market gap up के साथ में start होएगा, और जनरली अगर मार्केट इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में हमारा फ्यूचर ऑलरेडी एट हायर प्राइसेस पे ट्रेड हो रहा है, लेट्स से इवन इफ इट सेटल्स फॉर 12,600 और 12,520, तो उतने पॉइंट्स के गैप के हिसाब से यू वुड सी निफ्टी ओपनिंग अप, राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू नीड टू डू? जैसे आज अगर हम आज के मार्केट को देखें 15 मिनट के चार्ट में निफ्टी को, सो यू वुड सी दैट of course market opened gap up, but it came down as well. So gap up होते ही चालू ना हो जाए, first opening range candle देखें. जब तक opening range candle ऊपर की तरफ ना टूटे, राइट? तो 10 मिनट की ओपनिंग रेंज कैंडल देख सकते हैं आप. और जब मार्केट नीचे आती है, आपको एक रिट्रेसमेंट देती है, वो टाइम पर आप लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटीज में एंटर करें, राइट? सो लेट्स से फॉर tomorrow, if the market opens gap up at, let's say, 12,520 or 12,600, what you can see, you will see the retracement happening towards 12,472 or 12,520. तो ये लेवल पे आप बाइंग इनिशिएट करें, और हो सकता है इससे ज्यादा ऊपर गैप अप हुए और रिट्रेस करे. जैसे ही रिट्रेस करती है, यू वुड कम टू नो अराउंड 23% रिट्रेस हो गया, फिबोनाची लगा के देखें, यू वुड सी that could be the opportunity for going long, right? Short key opportunity at this point of time, I don't see, although there are these noise gaps which Nifty sooner or later will come to fill up. So kal ke liye I'm bullish looking at the way international markets are performing. Of course, stop loss apni trading strategy ke hisab se definitely lagaएं. Now similarly, Bank Nifty will also be bullish tomorrow, the way as of now, you see that if Nifty is driving high, it's Bank Nifty or banking stocks which are driving our main index as well, right? So you may see that Bank Nifty may open gap up 27,650 के ऊपर. So 27,650 के ऊपर you may see almost 150 points के आसपास में आपको upside एक मिलेगी, friends. You can take a long trade there. And watch out, the bias at 27,797, share 27,797 say you might see the retracement happening towards again 26,650. So अगर आप यहाँ पे bullish थे, तो 27,797 पे प्रॉफिट बुक कर ले और रिट्रेस की तैयारी करें. रिट्रेसमेंट के टाइम पे फिर वापस से आप लॉन्ग जा सकते हैं. शॉर्ट करने की कोशिश ना करें कल मार्केट को. नाउ अगर 27,797 पे bullish continuation pattern banati hai Bank Nifty, then 28,000 should be your 28,047 should be your next target, friends. And keep on trailing. One way is you book the profit, or another way is you book the profit in part lots or part quantities. And part quantities you can trail with a your trailing stop loss, right? So उसमें क्या फायदा क्या होता है आपको, आपका जो प्रॉफिट है वो लॉक हो जाता है, राइट? इन केस ऑफ इफ मार्केट टर्न्स बियरिश और इट रिवर्सेस, एटलीस्ट आपका ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हिट होके आपको प्रॉफिट बुक कर देता है डायरेक्टली, राइट? So that's how the strategy seems to be for intraday trading tomorrow. Now, if you look at the provisional data, that also is showing a bullish bias. FIIs had been today, in cash equity, they were net buyer with a 4,548 crore. आपको लास्ट वीक का डेटा मैंने ऑलरेडी दिया था, 13,400 करोड़ का नेट बाइंग किया उन्होंने कैश मार्केट में. ऑब्वियसली Indian market looks at this point of time very attractive, especially banking and NBFC sector, right? DIs, of course, they are sellers. They were seller on Friday, as well as today also. They were net seller with 3,036 crore rupees in cash market. FIIs, pros, and retailer, all three are bullish at this point of time in options, right? So that shows quite a bullish scenario as of now. If you look at RSI of Nifty, friends, it's at 72.5. So RSI is also indicating that the market has gone to overbought zone now. एंड अगर हम स्टॉकेस्टिक्स देखते हैं निफ्टी का एज वेल एज बैंक निफ्टी का, बोथ आर इन overbought zone. Stochastics of Nifty is at 98 right now, and weekly stochastics 85 पे. That also shows, market is in overbought zone. So थोड़ा भी negativity आएगी या कोई भी negative news आएगी, you would see the correction and some profit booking will start happening. So that should not surprise you, right? That's market. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ठीक है हो सकता है bullish bias आए, but at the end of the day, correction start हो जाए, or maybe another 2 days you can see that, क्योंकि market हमेशा overbought zone में नहीं रह सकती है. The indicators have to come down to cool off before they take a next up leaf, right? And अगर market 12,000 in case of retracement 12,100 के ऊपर रहती है market, तो 12,800 is the next destination. अगर of course 12,100 के नीचे आएगी तो then the retracement will be further deeper. Similarly for Bank Nifty, अगर बैंक निफ्टी 26,000 के ऊपर रहती है तो 28,500 is the next target for Bank Nifty. Otherwise, then you will see the deeper correction in Bank Nifty to the tune of 25,500. So now let's conclude. For next trading session, we can see that 12,300 to 12,700 seems to be our range for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty from 27,000 to 28,000 जो हमारी range नजर आ रही है. And keep an eye on various data points, friends. Of course, international market तो आपको देखना ही चाहिए. Apart from that, look at option chain, because that gives you, sentiments of bulls and bears in the live market, right? तो अगर आप trader हैं तो definitely वो देखें. USD INR का चार्ट along with India VIX का चार्ट देखना ना भूलें. India VIX आज 1.9% डाउन हुआ है, कल 2.2% डाउन था. So it shows the bulls are back, or bulls are getting more confidence now, right? CPI का डेटा आना है 12th नवंबर को. Keep an eye on that. On 12th itself IIP का भी हमको डेटा आना है. So मैक्रो के ऊपर नजर रखें. इन्फ्लेशन का डेटा it's estimated at 6.8 to 7%, while as the RBI wants it to be as less as 5 to 6%, right? So उसके ऊपर भी एक नजर रखें. Bihar election में it looks like ruling government is not being favored. So that will be one negative setback for our markets. So you should always keep an eye on what is cooking up in the domestic or international market, which can give a negative jolt to the market, right? So prepare रहें उसके लिए भी. Q2 FY21 के results आ रहे हैं, friend, which are encouraging and positive so far, right? Hope this analysis is helping you to understand the market, trade it confidently, and profitably, of course, right? So thank you very much for watching the videos, friends. To get latest information, Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest notification. If you have any queries, you can also write in our community tab where we keep on, updating about the market, about upcoming workshops, or about what kind of breakouts are happening. We also have a group called Praj Systematic Traders and Investors Group, and you would see we update the charts here regularly, and we kind of we find out the positive or negative divergences so that you can be alerted. Like in Power Grid, I had given a call that has already given a 12.5% within a week's period, right? So all that you can also send your request for joining this group so that you are updated from the market. So if you are updated in the market that what is happening, where are the breakouts, definitely you will make good profit, friends. Keep on learning. Thank you very much once again for watching the video, and please share the video with your friends and trading communities who can be equally benefited from good knowledge, right? Good luck, happy trading, happy investing, friends.